say when I say filter, I mean I'm just gonna do makeup look or makeup Snapchat filter or something like that. And yeah, you can see me doing reindeer Snapchat makeup look or makeup tutorial. You can see this is the tutorial. I hope you guys love this video as much as I love you, and if you did, please give a big thumbs up and yeah, subscribe to my channel to get more videos that I hope you guys love and enjoy all of it. So don't forget to tell me what you think about this video in the comments down below. Tell me if you want me to make any other Snapchat filter, because yeah, I have a lot to do with you, and yeah, let's get started.
Hola, beautiful friends! First, I'm gonna start with my foundation, and the foundation I'm using is Sarah, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face using my finger. Then I'm gonna blend everything using my Everytime Kabuki brush, and I've got it from Claire's. Now I'm gonna move on to the powder, and my powder I've got it from the Body Shop, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face using this big brush. Now I'm gonna move to these two makeup pencils. The first one is orange for the orange area, and the second one is white for the white area. Oh, how smart! Just gonna apply it first, then just gonna apply this orangey lipstick all over the area. Fill the whole area. Yeah. Then I'm gonna blend everything with my ring finger. Then I'm gonna add this orangey blusher just to keep everything in place and make sure that it's matte. Then I'm gonna mix those two yellow shades and add it all over the orange area. You know, I feel it needs the yellow touch. Now I'm just gonna keep blending everything very well to remove the harsh lines. Then I'm gonna move on to the white area using this white makeup pencil. I'm just gonna outline first, also leaving this, you know, heart shape, little heart shape for the black nose of the reindeer filter. So I'm just gonna then fill everything using the same white makeup pencil. Yeah, gonna keep going. Then I'm gonna add this really super duper matte white eyeshadow. I'm just gonna apply it with the sponge applicator, also my brush to keep everything matte. Then I'm gonna move on to the black area using this black makeup pencil. Just gonna shape it first. Then I'm gonna fill everything using the same makeup pencil. Fill. Just gonna take it little underneath. Then I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow and go over the whole black area just to make sure that it is matte and deep and, you know, keep it in place. Smudge it a little bit underneath. Then I'm gonna use the same black makeup pencil to clear the edges and make it, you know, sharper and, you know, deeper. Then I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner, and for eyeliner I'm just gonna line the half of the lid of the lash line. Then I'm gonna do the first wing, and you know, I'm using the double wing technique in this makeup look, so I'm just gonna create the first wing on the half of the lid. Can't really explain, it's so hard. Then I'm gonna move on to the second line, and you know, the second wing. Yeah, the second wing should be ended with the end of my eyebrows. So yeah. Then I'm gonna use this brow gel and use it on my brows using this little angel brush. And yeah, I'm just gonna start fill everything in and make it cuter, and it really fit the reindeer look. You know, brown brows, cute. Now I'm gonna use this the same powder to buff my brow bone. Then I'm gonna use this face paint and this small brush to do the freckles or the, you know, the white dots. It's just so cute. Just gonna keep going. Doing the freckles, 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 freckles. So cute. Then I'm gonna move on to my lips and using my every time favorite lipstick, which is brown and amazing. Also, it smells like candy. I think she's my beautiful cousin. I love her so much. Now I'm gonna use this little brush and this tape to, you know, wing the edges of the upper lip, you know, to make this illusion, or no, not really illusion, but you know, to fake this beautiful smile for the reindeer lips. Then I'm just gonna remove it. Then I'm gonna go back to my eyes to fill the waterline with the white makeup pencil. Then take it a little bit slightly underneath the lash line to make it, you know, kind of bigger. Then to make sure that it's really, really big, I'm just gonna use the same brown eyeshadow and take it underneath the white line. Then I'm just gonna blend it with this makeup brush. Then I'm gonna use this mascara to stand out my only my upper lashes. Guys, my camera dead, so now I'm just using my laptop camera. Now I'm using this orangey nude lipstick and fill my down lip, only my down lip with it. Then taking the brown eyeshadow underneath the down lip, just, you know, make it more fuller and bigger. I'm gonna use the ears and also some bobby pins. And I'm just gonna pin it. Don't take my hair. Anyway, this is my hair. I'm just gonna put it in 2 sections. Yeah, this is not my way, but I have to. Kind of like this. Yay! I'm gonna this way. I'd like to take it this way. Why not? Why not? Okay, just take it like. Now I'm just gonna take the ears, which was a photo, then I just printed and cut it, so I've just got it. Now I'm just gonna pin it with 2 bobby pins and apply them in the different directions just to make sure that it will be secured in place. And yeah, this is how it looks. So when you're done with everything just like me, you got this look. Gonna leave you guys now with the blue beers, and yeah, have a good day.
Now, happy reindeer. Sad reindeer. It's not working with those wings. So, don't be sad. You're reindeer. Okay. Duck face reindeer.
But closer. Yay! 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 I'm a reindeer. Guys, and I love you.